Hello. DEEEBOX offers workshops specifically tailored to the pharmaceutical industry and is aimed at companies that want to expand and deepen their knowledge in the field of secondary packaging. The workshop is particularly relevant for buyers, supply chain managers, quality representatives, and production staff who deal with pharma folding cartons in their daily work environment. In a constantly evolving industry, it is essential to stay up to date and continuously educate yourself. The DEEEBOX Secondary Packaging Workshop offers you the opportunity to deal intensively with the various aspects of secondary packaging in the pharmaceutical industry. You will gain basic knowledge about pharmaceutical folding cartons, and individual topics can also be addressed. Contents of the workshop are: production. The different production processes and technologies used in the production of pharmaceutical folding cartons will be highlighted. How are pharma folding cartons produced and what impact do these production types have on efficient running in the packaging line? Artwork. The technical aspects of design and artwork review are covered here. Materials. What materials are used for pharma folding cartons, and what impact do they have in the packaging process? Which materials can be used to achieve cost savings depending on the intended use? The different materials and their properties used in pharma folding carton production are discussed. Packaging as a data carrier. From packaging to data carrier. The role of packaging as an information and data carrier in the pharmaceutical industry. Serialization. Importance and implementation of serialization in the pharmaceutical industry. Which parameters are relevant for serialization in packaging? Braille writing. Requirements and implementation of Braille on pharmaceutical folding boxes. An important element for the accessibility and safety of medicines. How is Braille applied and checked? Quality control. Quality control of pharmaceutical folding cartons. What has to be tested? Which test methods are to be used? Logistics and storage. Challenges and best practices in logistics and storage of pharmaceutical folding cartons. Which parameters are relevant in the run-up to arrival at the pharmaceutical company? All participants in this workshop will gain valuable insights and knowledge about the secondary packaging sector to better assess quality and manage packaging materials in the supply chain. Request your individual pharma secondary packaging workshop. Welcome to DEEEBOX.